Hello and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joy Eneghalu. If you're new on my channel, I encourage you to subscribe. So today, we're going to be talking about my top 5 YouTube channel. I have a couple of them, tons of them actually, but there are these ones that somehow they have a place in my heart, and I thought it wise to share it with you today. Now, I must warn, just before we go forward, a lot of you know me as the serious Joy, the one who is always talking personal development and social media, but hey, I have other interests too, so don't be shocked, alright? Good. Now, let me take you there. Number 1, Steve Harvey TV. I love this man a lot. What do I love about him? I think it's the fact that he's able to say the truth as it is. Now, I wouldn't typically follow all of Steve's advice on relationships, but he always says the truth, a whole lot of them. Sometimes even when I expect him to be American, I see the African in him coming out, okay? So if you want to get advice on love, relationship, marriages, and you still have a mind of your own to think and process other people's thoughts before you swallow them all, then I advise you to go watch Steve Harvey TV. And I promise you, you're going to laugh a lot. Number 2, Gary Vaynerchuk. Now, if you know Gary V, he's a no-nonsense man. He's not disturbed about what other people think about him or not. And he's also very daring. We also know he has businesses. He has the Vineyard Media. He has his wine business that he has grown to a multi-billion dollar company. And he's doing so well with his YouTube channel as well. So if you're looking for someone who can speak to you without caring about your feelings, then Gary Vaynerchuk is the guy for you. Number 3, this guy I'm about to mention. When I came across this guy, my first reaction was, where has this guy been all my life? And I'm talking about no other person than the king of high ticket sales, Dan Lok. Scratch that. Sifu Dan Lok. Now, Dan Lok is a man who believes that he has a lot of beliefs about money. And if you're one of those who say money doesn't grow on trees, we have to work hard to get money, then you should listen to Dan Lok. This guy in 30 minutes will change your whole mindset about money, work, and business. And now he's not telling you to get this money or this luxury so that you can go and show off and disturb your village people on social media. No, he's not asking you to do that. He just wants you to know that you deserve to have money. If you have a business and you work hard, then you deserve to have money. Another thing I also love about Dan Lok is the fact that I can relate to everything that he says. So he's not one of those who covers it up, sugarcoats everything. No, he tells you as it is, okay? He talks about the struggles, the wins, transiting, you know, all those faces that we come across in business. He talks about everything, and whenever he's teaching, you're going to be like, wow. Sorry. Wow. Okay? Now, let's move on. The next one here I'm going to talk about is the law of attraction coaching. So, you know, when you wake up in the morning and your mind is fresh and you're wondering what your day is going to look like, I advise that you start with law of attraction coaching. Law of attraction coaching has been able to curate different motivational talks that can help you get started. All right, these talks, they motivate you, they keep you on track, they make you believe in yourself. They want to make you go out there and achieve as much as you can. So if you're looking for anything motivation, go to law of attraction coaching. And the last but not the least is future. Now, I don't know if it's future or future, but I believe it's future, okay? F-U-T-U-R without the E. These guys are very big on branding. That's what they teach a lot. In fact, once you come on their YouTube channel, you will notice that they are gods of branding. So if you're a small business owner, a graphics designer, visual creator, whatever it is that you do, if you're in business, you should go and watch their YouTube channel and see the wisdom that you can pick from their experience building their businesses. So like I said, I have tons of other YouTube channels that I watch. For example, I'm going to give you this last one as a bonus. NIMMIN. This is a young man I came across when I was trying to start my YouTube channel, and I was like, whoa, someone has so much wisdom here. So if you're looking to start a YouTube channel and you don't know your left from your right, you don't know how to edit your videos, you don't know the transitions to use, you don't know if it's to use your mobile phone or a camera, you don't know the equipment to use, then Nick is your guy. Nick is going to tell you everything that you need to know, and they even have softwares that you can buy to take your YouTube channel from 0 straight to 100. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you're new to my channel, please, for the love of God, I want you to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, and let them know that awesomeness lives here. Till I come your way again, take charge of your life.